We are going to do identification of starch. Materials required: 4 test tubes, 4 samples, iodine solution and test tube stand. First of all, we need to add sample A into A test tube, B sample into B test tube, C sample into C test tube and D sample into D test tube. Now add iodine solution into test tubes 2 or 3 drops. Now shake the test tubes.
Stop.
Now along these 4 test tubes, one test tube change its color into blue test tube. Can you find which test tube will change its color?
C.
So C test tube and C sample present the starch. Did you understand the experiment?
Yes.